Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Now the tons in questions are the Telegram open coins, also known as Toncoins. So in order to send your cryptocurrency, such as the Ton, open up your centralized exchange Bybit. So guys, you're on Bybit, you are verified. In order to check your validity, the icon at the top left, click on this icon and you'll find we're verified. My account is verified, so with that in mind, head back, click on assets, and you would find your available balance in Toncoin here present. So click on withdraw. Once you select the withdraw, simply search for Ton. So click on it, and then the on-chain withdrawal menu is going to pop in. Now you're meant to add your address and tag as well as the amount. So minimize, open up your Tonkeeper application. Once it's open, the receive icon, click on receive, and then simply copy your address. As you can see here, there is no mention of a comment or an added remark for the transaction. So minimize, open up Bybit, paste the address there, and as you can see here, this is optional. Tag, memo, remark are all optional to add, so we're not going to be adding that to this transaction. And then simply enter an amount you wish to withdraw and click on withdraw. By clicking on the withdraw, your tokens would be sent from this centralized exchange over to the on-chain wallet known as Tonkeeper, and your tokens would be stored. All you need to do is select the Toncoin, scroll through, and you would find that we have received some Ton tokens on our wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.